Have you ever wondered what goes into the device you hold in your hand every day? An iPhone is more than just a piece of technology. It's a journey that begins with the most fundamental elements of our planet. It all starts with sand. But not just any sand. This is silica sand, the very foundation of the glass that will become your screen. But a phone is much more. It's aluminum, extracted from bauxite ore, destined to form its strong yet lightweight frame. It's copper, lithium, and a collection of rare earth minerals, each one essential, mined from deep within the earth. These raw materials, gathered from around the globe, are the ingredients for a modern marvel. Once harvested, these elements begin a remarkable transformation. The silica sand is melted down at incredibly high temperatures, purified, and then shaped into a flawless sheet of glass. The aluminum ore is refined into a solid block of pure, high-grade metal. And those precious minerals? They are painstakingly processed and prepared to become the electronic lifeblood of the device. This isn't just manufacturing. It's a form of industrial alchemy, turning raw earth into refined perfection. Now, we zoom into a world invisible to the naked eye. This is the heart of the iPhone, the chip. It all starts with a silicon wafer, a shimmering, perfectly circular disc polished to an atomic-level smoothness. In a hyper-clean environment, far cleaner than a hospital operating room, this wafer undergoes hundreds of steps. Lasers etch impossibly complex circuits onto its surface, patterns so small that millions of transistors can fit on the head of a pin. Layer upon layer of materials are deposited and etched away in a process called photolithography. This is where Apple's custom-designed A-series chip is born, a powerhouse of intelligence and speed, engineered with mind-boggling precision. This single component is one of the most complex objects humanity has ever created. With the brain ready, it's time to build the body. That block of refined aluminum is placed into a computer numerical control, or CNC machine. Guided by a precise digital blueprint, the machine carves out the iPhone's unibody frame with incredible accuracy. It's a process of subtraction, where everything that isn't the iPhone is meticulously milled away, leaving behind a perfectly sculpted, seamless structure. Simultaneously, the specialized glass we saw earlier is strengthened through an ion exchange process, making it durable and scratch-resistant. It's then shaped to fit the frame perfectly. This fusion of metal and glass isn't just for strength. It embodies Apple's philosophy of minimalist design, where every curve and every edge serves a purpose. Now, all the individual components converge in a vast, pristine assembly facility. This is where the magic comes together. It's a symphony of automation and human craftsmanship. Robotic arms, moving with surgical precision, place the delicate logic board, populated with the chip and other microcomponents, into the frame. Skilled workers carefully connect the intricate camera modules, the haptic engine that provides feedback, and the battery. Screens are snapped into place, tiny screws are driven home, and the device begins to take its final form. It moves along a clean, white conveyor belt, a seamless flow of production where hundreds of pieces become one. But a phone isn't complete until it has a soul. For the first time, the device powers on. The iconic Apple logo appears, followed by the familiar interface of iOS. This is where the hardware and software become one. But it's not ready for the world just yet. Every single function is rigorously tested. Do the buttons click perfectly? Does the camera focus instantly? Does Face ID recognize its user? The phones undergo drop tests, water resistance tests, and a battery of other quality checks to ensure they meet Apple's exacting standards. Only the devices that pass every single test are deemed ready. From a grain of sand and a piece of rock, through microscopic engineering and a dance of robots and artisans, it has been transformed. What was once just raw material scattered across the globe is now here, a powerful, beautiful, and deeply personal object designed to connect us, to create, and to explore. From the elements of the earth to the palm of your hand. Thank you for watching. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, consider subscribing for more deep dives into the world of technology.